Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and this is yesterday's market right here. Let's see, it's January 4th. This was Wednesday's market here. This was the open as it started. Market had just kind of moved a little sideways here. This would be the first area that I would like as I could have come in here, but probably a little bit better right in here. You can see the signal below is giving you confirmation of the trade, and that's a trade that I would take. There were a couple other continuation trades that could have been made. Could have been one of them right in through here. See, this is just confirming. It's not necessarily the reason why we take the action. Yesterday, off this low, we started to bounce, and this area right up in here is a turn, market turn, and that could have been an area I might have taken. Hard to say, but there's another continuation area right in through here. This kind of moved up really fast and even might have missed it. And we were in a situation like that today, so I did place a market order on one of the orders. I'll show you that a little bit later, but this here is a couple of continuation spots. This one's a little better than this one. And again, just not pointing it out for the indicator reason, but market conditions and price action. And this is just a middle time frame view. Look at three different time frames. There's short stuff for very small scalps. There's This is the middle time frame view, which is combined with a couple of different two charts. And then there's also a larger time frame view, which gives you a much bigger view, bigger point returns, and fewer trades, though. Maybe a little bit more market risk on that as well. Here I was, market was very choppy and in some consolidating ranges in here. I can't say that I did really very well here, but as I often say, it is what it is. Um, Covered some here, two tick loss, covered some here. Now this was, a couple of these trades were out of my smaller time frame screen, what I call the T1 screen, so they're not going to match up as far as signal wise, but still yet a couple of them are not good trades in any case. So again, like I say, it is what it is, and that's what I did. So this trade in here, I didn't really like this entry. Either one of these last two, I got stopped out right there at that high tick, but I was shooting for something into the night trading and into the next session. I felt that all this sideways to slightly up action in here was setting itself up for a big market drop, but I would have liked to have put a target in on this, but the way I set this up didn't have a target where my stop gets canceled. So if you hit a target and you have a stop down here, you could force you back into the trade. So I didn't have it set up that way. So I just went to sleep and had my stop just above the high up in here, and woke up this morning at the open and just saw a large profit in there, so just covered it. There was a target down below that I did like, but again, I kind of, not being fully awake, I just covered it, and this was the actual low, and then we did a retest here as well, which was really nice. It was right in through here. So both of these little areas here, um, I guess I could have waited for them and covered into that, but it's a lot easier to see it now. But I did see it yesterday. Anyway, didn't wait for this area here. This could have been a continuation trade in through here, but anyway, on to another couple of trades. This was a pretty good market turn right here. This was where I put that market order in. I seen this down in here. I was tempted to go in early in anticipation of this move, but I thought it best be wait for the confirmation. So this was the first little push. I was lucky enough to just to cover one contract right in there, a few attempts, but then covered the rest of it on strength into that little move. Then we went off into a little retest again. This area could have been taken for, a small move back to the middle. I let that go in anticipation for this bigger move here. Covered some right here quick into strength, and you can see that actually lines up perfectly with this here as well. And then we had more market strength behind that, so really, really good move in through here. Covered on this second push up and through here. The market did go higher, and I did see that it was potentially set to go higher. Those were a couple of areas that I was doing a training video and I actually pointed out these areas in that for my group, and called that, and also called for much higher prices if this was to be broken, and it did, and then those are the areas